Hi, I'm Alex Kranzler, and this is Elliot. She's 8 weeks old this week. We chose to come to Rounded Momma and to see Sherry as our midwife after lots of research, and after meeting with her, we just knew right away that she was going to be the best choice for us. We felt really comfortable and knew that going with a home birth was going to be, again, just the right choice for us. We met with a midwife initially, an OB initially, and just didn't really feel like it was going to be the best fit. Sherry empowered us to make the decisions that were best for us. She didn't make us do any testing or anything else that we were uncomfortable with, and really just kind of gave us all the facts we needed to make the best decisions. Going into my labor, I felt really confident that we had done all the preparations needed, and that Sherry had given us all the information we needed. And it was a really, really long labor, but I wouldn't change a thing. And I'm really happy with the outcome. Again, having Sherry and Cora as our midwives, and then we also had a doula from Rounded Momma, who is Rory. And without them, I definitely could not have done it. And we were able to, have a natural labor, and Elliot was perfectly healthy and happy, and we've been thriving ever since. Our experience postpartum has been great. We've had several appointments with Sherry, and she's always checking up. Elliot had to get a frenectomy pretty early on, and Sherry was really supportive and just checking on us the whole way through. I've had help with lactation consulting, and just constant texts and calls and just checking in. And we had our last appointment with Sherry, and it was a sad time, but we are happy that we reached that benchmark and that Elliot's growing, and we're all thriving.